The true monthly cost of a plumbing van usually lands somewhere between $2,000 and $3,500 once you add up the loan or lease payment, insurance, fuel, maintenance, and the tools and parts stocked inside it. Most plumbers only look at the sticker price and completely ignore everything else that keeps that van running every single day. A lot of plumbers think the van cost is just the payment they make to the bank each month, but that is only one small piece of the puzzle. You also have commercial insurance, which is usually higher than a regular car because the van is used for work and carries expensive tools. Then there is fuel, which adds up fast if you are driving all over town for multiple jobs each day. Maintenance is another big one, since a work van gets driven hard and needs oil changes, brake work, and tire replacements more often than a personal vehicle. Something most people never think about is the value of the inventory sitting inside the van. Things like pipes, fittings, and specialty tools, which can easily add hundreds of dollars a month when you factor in wear and restocking. On top of that, many plumbers forget to include the cost of wrapping the van with their business logo and phone number, which is actually one of the cheapest forms of advertising you can get. One common mistake is only budgeting for the monthly payment and getting surprised when insurance and fuel costs hit later, so the fix is to sit down once a year and add every single expense together to get your real number. Another mistake is delaying maintenance to save money in the short term, which almost always leads to a bigger repair bill down the road, so sticking to a simple maintenance schedule saves money over time. A lot of plumbers also forget to track how much inventory they are using per job, and a quick fix is doing a monthly count so you always know your true operating cost. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Job Bid Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.